If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. For today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge layers with a pinch in Procreate. So let's look at this image here for our example. We can see that we have a number of layers that make up our image. To join them all as one, you just need to pinch all of the layers together. I want to point out that before pinching layers together, you should double check that the layers that you want are all toggled on. Otherwise, they won't show in your final project. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.